Are you facing small claims court action and worried about what will happen if you lose? Let's look today at what the small claims court is, how it works, and the consequences of losing a case. First of all, let's define what small claims are. Small claims, also known as money claims, occur when the claimant takes another party to court because they believe they owe them money. These cases often involve compensation, refunds, faulty products or services, disputes and debt, personal injury cases, and unpaid invoices. Usually, small claims are for sums of money below £10,000 and are supposed to be for simple cases that don't require a solicitor. Small claims may be decided by different courts, such as the county court or the magistrates court, depending on the location and the jurisdiction. Any individual or company considering taking someone to small claims court will need to pay an issue fee and a final hearing fee. These fees increased based on the amount of money that's being claimed. Can I ignore a notice to go to a small claims court? Ignoring a notice to go to a small claims court won't work, as the court may well issue a judgment that forces you to pay the money to the claimant without even having appeared to defend yourself. What happens if you lose in a small claims court? If you lose, you'll be ordered to pay the money to the claimant and potentially also pay some of the expenses they incurred from having to take legal action, as well as their legal fees, court fees, travel expenses, and even lost wages for attending court. So what if I just don't pay? This could be a really bad idea, as you'll be going against the legally binding decision of the court, and more serious action could well be taken, with options including an attachment of earnings order. This is a special court order that instructs your employer to send some of your wages directly to the court, which then passes the money to the claimant. Another option is the use of enforcement officers or bailiffs who can be hired to recover the money or seize your assets equal to the value of the sum owed. Facing bailiff action for debt recovery is a situation best avoided. A third option is a charging order, which ensures the money is paid from the sale of your property if you own one. A charging order doesn't necessarily mean that you have to sell your home, but the claimant could ask for an order of sale, which could mean having to sell the property to clear the debt. So if you're being threatened with small claims court, it's wise to explore debt solutions promptly. It's always far better to deal with your finances before things escalate to court action. If you're struggling with debt, then there are options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others will include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and start taking steps towards improving your financial situation.